Well, it was a tough day in court for Baba Ramdev, made to appear once again before the top court. This is the second time he's appearing before the top court, and the bench of the Apex Court did not make it easy on Baba Ramdev. Now, what's important is that there was a second unconditional apology that had been filed by Baba Ramdev before the top court. This apology being filed on April 6th. Today, when the matter was taken up, the Supreme Court was not convinced with this apology. The Supreme Court's observation was quite clear. Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for Baba Ramdev, had sought to seek some relief for Baba Ramdev. The Apex Court, however, said that the only time he has shown some remorse, the only time these apologies are coming from Baba Ramdev is when he has his back against the wall, when he's facing contempt proceedings. The Apex Court spelled it out very clearly that these apologies are not worth the paper they're written on, going on to say that this conduct of Baba Ramdev is in fact contrary to the conduct that he had shown after the Supreme Court order. After the Supreme Court order, Baba Ramdev had in fact invited a press conference, had made uncharitable comments about the Apex Court. Here the Supreme Court said that it will show the same disdain to Baba Ramdev, the same disdain that he had shown to the Apex Court orders, not complying with them, showing open defiance and not approving and not acting as per those orders. So with that in mind, the Apex Court has passed an order that it will, number one, not accept the apology. Number two, it will take necessary contempt action against Baba Ramdev. And number three, will pronounce orders to that effect on April 16th. Now, that's as far as Baba Ramdev is concerned. The Apex Court, however, was equally unhappy with respect to the conduct of the State Licensing Authority of Uttarakhand. Here, the Supreme Court had asked the question what the licensing officers had been doing for a better part of the last 2 to 3 years. The Supreme Court asked if they were only shifting files, passing the buck, and if they were only thumb twiddling, why no action was taken, was repeatedly asked by the bench. Why no FIR had been filed, was repeatedly asked by the Apex Court. The Supreme Court continued to probe as to why no action was taken, despite the centre having flagged the products in question, and why the state licensing authorities had only restricted themselves to a warning when the statute clearly does not provide for a warning but clearly provides for action. So on those counts, the state licensing authorities and the officers, the concerned officers, have been asked to in fact file their affidavits explaining their conduct. That of course is for later in April, but clearly the Apex Court, the Supreme Court, breathing fire, making its intent known and looking keen to take action, not just against the Baba Ramdev and Patanjali Ayurved, but also against the state licensing authorities and possibly also on the centre.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.